Alrighty, guys. So we are going to be utilizing Khan Academy this year in our math class. So this video is going to show you how to get yourself logged in, how to navigate Khan Academy, and then how we are going to be using it this year for math. So first, the website is just khanacademy.org up at the top. We're going to go ahead and get ourselves logged in. So I emailed you your username and your password. Check your student email account and use that login. If there's any issues, please make sure you email me back as soon as possible. But you're going to go ahead and get yourself logged in. And once we are logged in, okay, you're going to get a big old welcome to Khan Academy message. We're excited to have you here. Just go ahead and make sure you agree and click Start Learning. Now, I'm showing you the 7th grade screen. However, it's going to work very similarly for the 8th grade screen. So it'll pop up and it will have all the assignments here. Now, it looks like a lot, well, I know it looks like a lot. That being said, this is a week's worth of work, okay? And each of these items is maybe going to take you about 5 minutes. So if you log in and you do maybe 2 videos and 1 short exercise assignment every day, you will more than easily be able to stay on track with us. So logging in, right, this first assignment here, you can see when they are due. So we can see this one's an example. This triangle symbol here shows you that it's a video. So if we click start, we can pull open the video. It'll watch it. It'll teach you some things. As soon as you have gone and watched the video, right, we watched the whole thing, we can click next assignment. Gives you the next video. We go next assignment. Now it gives you some practice problems that you can go through, okay? So if we want to go through these practice problems, and say, let's go. And it starts to give you these problems. So what would this answer be? I have 37 and negative 37. Well, that's going to cancel out and give me 0. So I mark my answer and I hit check. I got it right. Yay me. Okay. If, say, well, this is a negative and a positive, and I'm not paying attention and I want to say this answer is negative, it'll tell you, hey, try again. And you can get some help, or you can skip it and come back to it. Now, you are more than welcome to skip things and come back to them, but I would love it if you got some help. And it gives you some visual help here. So it gives us a number line that allows us to see what's going on. And then it actually helps you understand. So the sign would be positive because it's bigger than 0. So we can change our answers. Check again. Go to the next one, okay? Once you have gone through all of these problems, before we get to that, there's this nice little handy dandy here. If you need to rewatch the video or if you need this hint, you can use it, okay? There are a lot of resources here that can help you. Now, that being said, you want to go through and finish these. Once you have done them, okay, so we can see we didn't finish that assignment, so it's still on our menu. But let's just go through and finish it out real quick. I'm just going to click some answers here. It don't matter. I'm just going to click through so we can get through. I'm not even looking. We're going to move on. Oof. Wow, when you don't pay attention and you guess, you miss every single one. Okay, so now that we have finished one of these assignments, we say we're done. And now, if we look up in this top corner, it says that I've completed that assignment. We'll check our notification. Got more assignments, okay? There is always something to do on Khan Academy. And if you would like, you can get ahead. So far, I only have our first weeks unlocked, but if you would like to move at a faster pace, please just let me know. Okay, there's some other cool stuff going on over here. So that's where your assignments are. You can check out your courses. Khan Academy is a free resource. So if you would like to look at other things, you're more than welcome to. But it has a lot of really cool information on it. Okay. So if you wanted to look at some other things, you're more than welcome to. But I'm going to go ahead and go back. We're going to look at this progress section here, okay? So no progress yet. Give it a few minutes and it will load things, but it'll tell you how long you've been working and it'll tell you about your learning points. If we go to our profile, this is going to give you fun. It can give you a streak, right? You can keep track of how often you log in, how long you log in for. You can earn badges and things like that based on the amount of work you do. So in just 6 minutes, I've earned 191 energy points. These are fun little trackers that they use to just kind of keep track of your learning, make it feel a little bit competitive for you. We can earn those badges, earn those energy points. And then the last page is your teachers, which lets you see me. Don't remove me. Okay? And that will be it for Khan Academy as far as utilizing it. So how we will be going through using it this year for our math class is, as I mentioned before, we're doing a flipped classroom. So what that means is you have to do some of the learning on your own at home, but in a very low risk way. So this is going to be where a lot of your participation comes from. I want you working and I want you learning. So my goal here is to have you working hard and participating in these learning experiences so that when you come to class, we can then use what you learned to do something. We're going to do a lot of activities and a lot of projects this year, okay? Now, one thing I do want to explain is that this is going to be new for all of us. Many of you have not had a flipped classroom before, and that's okay. But the goal is to have you working hard, okay? And if you need additional help, please let me know. My office hours are on Monday and Wednesday from 1 to 3, and you can contact me for an individual appointment, and we can schedule that for you, okay? That's it. Let me know if you have any questions, everybody.